In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a slow moving fan, specifically a ceiling fan. Honestly, it applies to lots of other fans. But let's go ahead and look at a good fan here. All right, so you can see the speed of that on full speed. Let's check this one out. First speed, pretty slow. Second speed is going to slow down a lot. And then the third speed, this thing is pretty much dead. Also, sometimes on the third speed, or the lowest speed of the fan, you won't even get that humming noise. It'll be like the fan's not even working at all. But right now it should be on its third speed. Typically what goes wrong, as long as all your voltages are proper, you know, around 112 to 120 or so, the problem that happens is the fan capacitor goes bad. So here's an example of one. I'm going to put a link in the description on where you can buy these. Cheapest place to get them. And I'm just going to show you how to swap them out. First thing we got to do is turn the power off. So let me do that real quick. So with the power off, let's take a look up here. We've got 5 wires total. Red, brown, and purple. And we've got 2 grays over on that side. What we're going to do is just go back with the exact same capacitor. That way we don't have to worry about color changing or anything like that. We're literally just going to go through, snip these wires, snip those, and install this guy. You can do a couple different methods. You can use the pinch in splices like that. You can use butt splices like automotive, or you can use wire nuts. So just to keep this video fast, I'm going to put some little wire nuts up there. I'm going to put the camera in a tripod so you can watch me do it, and we'll start the fan at the end. So there you saw me wiring up the new capacitor. Just wire everything to the same color as it was before. You have your 2 grays on this side, just snip the left side, connect it to the left side of the old capacitor. And that's pretty much it. So there's the old one right there. Let's give it a go. As you can see, the fan is spinning at full speed now. It'll be up to full speed here in just a second. And now we actually got some air moving in here. And then all the speeds work properly. Second and third both have a good amount of power. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy new capacitors. That'll be an Amazon link, and I think they're like $11 for 2 of them. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.